Keep a pot of water on the medium flame. Put milk and chocolate in a bowl that will fit over the top of the pot of water on low flame. Place the bowl on top of the hot water, stirring very often until melted. Chocolate is ready. Keep it aside. Powder sugar is ready. Take a beating bowl and add butter and place on mixer and fix batter hook. Beat for 3 minutes. Add powder sugar and hot water and beat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add cocoa powder and beat for 2 minutes. Add lukewarm melted chocolate and whip it for required consistency. Now change the hook and adjust whisk hook and whip it for required consistency. Frosting is ready. Use piping bag for decorate the cake.